Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide WhatsApp name and message notifications on your iPhone lock screen. Quick, easy and super useful for privacy. Let's get right into it. First, launch the settings application on your iOS device. On the settings menu, scroll down and tap on notifications. Find WhatsApp in the list and tap on it. On the next page, tap Show Previews and select when logged under the Show Previews. This stops message previews and contact name from showing on the lock screen. Now go back to the home screen and open the WhatsApp app itself. Tap Settings at the bottom right and then go to Notification Settings. In the Notification Settings, scroll down and turn off the toggle for Show Previews here too. This ensures your messages stay hidden even when WhatsApp is open. That's it. Now your WhatsApp notifications are completely private on your iPhone. If you found this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.